Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. There's been a huge wave across the crypto market recently, but we're not talking about Ethereum or Bitcoin. The biggest gains that quite a few investors have been predicting are set to arrive from Ripple or the XRP token. Crypto saw a noticeable dip across the pandemic, but as things are slowly starting to pick back up, the Ripple payment protocol really seems to be making some huge gains. Some financial analysts are even going as far as to claim that Ripple is on the verge of a huge price boom. Are Ripple investors set to become overnight millionaires? What makes Ripple such a revolutionary product? We have done a deep dive into the many claims that are being made about the huge rise that Ripple is expected to see in the upcoming months, and what we found out is going to shock you. So make sure you pay attention, because you're not going to want to miss out. XRP has always been overshadowed by its bigger and more profitable brothers. Coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and even Litecoin have been making big news since being created. Although Ripple was formed as early as 2012, the currency has remained stable and consistent. However, there exists a perfect storm of reasons, including the recent lawsuit, the overall crypto recession, as well as the upcoming plans of going public. Are we all set to see XRP investors become millionaires overnight? Recently, the crypto sector has seen an overall upsurge, resulting in the overall market valuation surpassing $2 trillion, heights that we have never seen before. This number is set to continually grow, and many crypto projects have huge plans to deal with this sustained growth and expansion. Many are considering and claiming that one of the primary drivers behind this market-wide boost has been the XRP. However, this is coming fresh off of the heels of some very controversial news for Ripple and Ripple Labs, the development team behind the project. In December 2020, both Ripple Labs as well as two high-ranking company executives were sued by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This was in regard to the sale of XRP tokens, which the government considered unregistered securities. This initial news caused many investors to immediately sell to get rid of their holdings in the fear that the currency will hit rock bottom after an unfavorable court ruling. Many were claiming that the XRP facing all these messy legal proceedings during the post-pandemic crypto bull run would cause Ripple to miss out on the heavy crypto rise, leaving the project too far behind to recover. Against most expectations, Ripple is surpassing many analysis, considering the highest trading prices over the past 3 years. Having recently won a landmark court case against the SEC, many are now speculating that this number is set to rise. The SEC case against Ripple Labs was extremely controversial and shocked the entire financial world, due to how influential and popular the Ripple protocol is. This messy news led to the delisting of the XRP token from a number of well-known crypto exchanges, including Coinbase. The case and allegations against Ripple led to an initial drop in the price of the tokens. However, the trading price has risen to meteoric heights since then. Alongside some very exciting announcements from the company, many are predicting that the XRP token can potentially soar to the moon. Since the initial upswing of the brilliant news of the court case, Ripple has really experienced new life. But this isn't to say that the coin was not operating at a healthy pace prior to that. Ripple Labs have been continuously making intelligent and healthy business decisions, and that can be seen from the offering surviving since 2012 in the face of its more powerful and influential counterparts. However, recent estimates and predictions surrounding Ripple's upcoming performance have resulted in rumors for seeing a share price as high as $10 per coin throughout 2021. That may not sound like much, but in relation to the current trading price for around $1 a coin, that estimate is definitely capable of creating some overnight millionaires. Furthermore, Ripple Labs has recently announced the company's intentions of going public. Fueled by the recent court case victory, the team is really feeling invincible, and this public offering is exactly what a growing company needs: a healthy cash injection in order to further expand and fuel more exciting ventures into the crypto space. Although Ripple has historically remained in the shadows, the moves and technological innovations of the company since its 2012 creation have seen rippling effects throughout the crypto financing world. Not operating purely as a coin or a currency, Ripple is actually a payment protocol, a real-time gross settlement, currency exchange, and remittance platform. Upon entering the industry, Ripple has been able to offer secure, near-instant, and almost free global transactions of any size with no chargebacks. Ripple was one of the first to enter these fields, and investors are eager to hear and get behind the future plans of the company. The move for a crypto project to IPO, that's right, not an ICO or IDO, is clearly the start of many great things to come from the sector at large. Many other projects will be paying close attention to the outcome, although the success of the entrance into the public sector certainly seems guaranteed for Ripple. This sort of public hype, coupled with the healthy and continuous growth of the company, alongside a solid win against the United States government, Ripple Labs could not have selected a more ideal time to enter the open markets. One thing is for certain, the XRP token certainly seems ready to explode. Although overnight millionaires may seem like a hugely exaggerated claim, one cannot argue the sheer prospect and bright outlook of the project. This is clear to see from the large number of highly strategic and extremely advantageous partnerships that Ripple Labs has managed to maintain and secure so far. These include but are not limited to the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, as well as the European Union Commission. Not just cheap marketing tactics, but hugely financial international organizations that are actively working together with Ripple in order to mutually benefit one another. The sheer level of quality throughout the Ripple pipeline is impossible to ignore. You'd struggle to find another crypto asset with such an impressive coalition of organizations. Behind closed doors, Ripple is in the perfect position to shape the future of the entire cryptocurrency industry. The more we look into the token, the more we're starting to realize that the XRP token is most likely seriously undervalued. Within the crypto world itself, as an exchange, Ripple is able to operate through multiple blockchains. This multi-chain mentality is starting to appear as Ripple is attempting to further break barriers between crypto and traditional financial institutions. These are very exciting and pioneering times, with Ripple Labs at the forefront. Multiple sources have reported that a noticeably increasing amount of investors have allocated more funds towards XRP buys. Even the digital asset manager, CoinShares, has listed the XRP token as the top rising altcoin from investments made from institutional investors. What makes the XRP token and Ripple protocol so attractive is that the project aims to further increase the sheer amount of use cases that the coin supports. As opposed to the exclusivity of Bitcoin, or the Twitter mentions driving the Dogecoin increases, Ripple aims to increase trading value purely from functionality. A recent addition to the XRP family is the inclusion of the Wechain offering. Wechain aims to further bridge the gaps between various blockchains on a scale never seen before. Currently, that process is referred to as bridging, as it requires an added transactional time and increased cost. Wechain by itself is an exciting opportunity, an announcement of the decentralized financial community. And to roll out such heavy ties to the already booming XRP token is set to take both projects to unbelievable heights. Many people are looking at these signs and rumors that are starting to circulate that offerings like Ripple and its neo-competitors are set to replace banks. Out of the relatively new world of cryptocurrency, it is very exciting to hear that kind of news. The fact that Ripple is focused heavily on an operational transaction protocol that is aimed towards streamlining the transfer of funds between banks grants the project some very important real-world applications. Over time, an increasing amount of banks have started to use the service, and it can now be considered an integral part of multiple banks' daily operations. The irony is that Ripple provides an invaluable service for the banking sector. Through the addition of more services, Ripple is perfectly poised to function as a fully fledged bank on its own. Ripple is currently favored by banks due to its safety, consistency, reduced fees, and great technology. We live in a time when the bank itself can be considered the middleman. Perhaps it is only a matter of time until Ripple fully engulfs the banking sector, considering more and more similar protocols are appearing. Right now, Ripple has currently been approved by a large number of organizations and global regulators from across the planet. This further promotes the idea of Ripple as a quality investment opportunity. Currently, the Ripple transactional protocol is offering an extremely unique and highly valuable service around the planet. Offering quick transfers at an extremely low cost, multiple financial institutions are utilizing the brilliant service that Ripple provides. Fresh off the price surge due to the company's victorious court case win against the United States SEC, the company has been extremely open with its intention to open itself to the public markets and to grow through a further cash injection. Through multiple strategic and invaluable partnerships, Ripple is poised to shape the future of the crypto space around the planet. It seems as though Ripple should be seeing healthy and continued share price growth through the near future. But as to whether the Ripple XRP shall make overnight millionaires remains to be seen. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen.